Hello, my name is Mark Jepson, and I'm going to show you the statistics section of MBS. We created this section because there's an element to being able to manage your business where you need to view things in tandem with each other. And on Seller Central, you are limited. You have one graph, maybe two graphs, and you can put a bunch of different lines on that graph to be able to see the comparison between different things, but it gets confusing very fast. And if you can't narrow down which metrics you need to look at compared to other metrics and see date coincidences, things happening at the same time, or if you make a change, does that affect some graphs but not the others? You need to be able to view the big picture all in one view. So that's why we created this section. So let's jump right in. Inside of the statistics section, you have sales graphs and marketing graphs as the two main areas that you're going to want to look at. So here you have just a very simple view where you can see all of the graphs relating to your sales at a single glance. So you can see, if you hover over these, you can kind of see date coincident points here in orange. You can go, okay, good, you did something here. Did that affect your sessions, or did that affect your orders or your conversion rate? Whatever it is that you did, you can see those peaks and valleys at a glance. Now the same thing applies for your marketing graphs, and I'll just jump over to that right here. So here you have now all the 6 key marketing graphs that you need to look at. And again, if you want to see, okay, you did something at this point, what was that and what did it affect and how did it affect your business? Another key point in here is that you can view these graphs for a whole account, which is what we're doing right now, or you can then drill in by the brands that you have. So you can look at all the multiple brands. So you can look at one brand to see all the products in that brand, or if you have groups of products in there, you can then of course see those as well, see how different groups of them are doing. And then of course you can drill it down all the way down to an individual product. So this helps you if you're managing your account and trying to see what went wrong or why you're having low sales. You can then dive in to see what areas are affected and drill down into the individual product that is the culprit that's actually driving your profit down, or driving you got bad reviews or whatever it is that happened. You can be able to see that clearly and easily with the statistics graphs and marketing graphs. Likewise, if you have stats that are going up or spike up, you can actually go, okay, what action should you be taking right now to make sure that you can either keep that going and prevent it from crashing, but also make sure that those sales are being very profitable. So you can look at your supply chain, make sure you have what you need going into Amazon, and make sure you have enough being produced or at your warehouse. But also look at your advertising, make sure that you're getting really good conversions. And then of course, see what it is that you did do that caused that change, and then make sure you record that and make sure you know where that is, so you can actually make sure you do more of that and keep those things going up. Additionally, if you want to download and manipulate the data, you also have the Graphs Data Table tab right here, where you can view it by whatever date range you want for whatever products you want, and download it, put it into Excel, and do what you like with it. And that's our statistics section, short and sweet. I'll see you in the next video.